Hello Artsies, this is Mrs. B. Welcome to Arting Penmanship. In this video, I will show you 5 ways to write the letter Q. Yes, that's right, the letter Q, because I know it is difficult to write, it's confusing, and also it's rare to use. But what if your name starts with a Q, like Queenie or Quintin, or if your last name has letter Q or starts with a Q, like Quezon, Quezon, Quehanon, or Kinawayan. So in this video, I will teach you 5 ways to write the letter Q, and I hope you stay tuned because I will be giving something free in this video. So if you have your pen and paper ready with you, let's do calligraphy. Okay, these are the samples of the Qs that I am showing to you, the 5 ways to write Q. Okay, so we will be starting. Okay, the first one is a simple Q. Right, I will just get the pen here. So the first one is a simple Q that is an oval going back and a tail. Alright, so here is the guide that I put here. Oval, you will start here and then going down there and then a tail. So you will do that. I will show it to you how to write this Q. I will be using Pilot Petite 3 for this tutorial. Okay, so let's do this. Remember to do it slowly. We need to calligraphy. Okay, there. Q. Next one we have, like, we know Q in cursive, like it looks like number 2. So you will start here and then go down and then go round and then tail. Okay, so let's do that. Alright. Okay, there you go. The next Q that we will be doing is, instead of starting on the right, we will be starting on the left. It's just like we are adding design or a little flourish to our Q here. So we're starting here, then go round an oval and the same tail that we did on the first one. Okay, so let's do this. Right. There you go. Okay, the next Q that we are going to do is also an oval, of course, because Q is oval. Alright, then, but instead of starting at the top, we will be starting at the bottom. Okay, so from here, and then we go up and then down, going inside. Okay, then we could use the same tail or tail going down. Okay, so let's do this. I created this Q. This is my personal font of Q. Okay, you can make your own fonts as well. Okay, there. Okay, you can try that, and you can make your own style of Q. Alright, next one is like a small Q. You could do this in the small Q's, but then you can make it bigger so that will look like a capital letter. But here we have a little flourish, so we'll be starting here, and then it goes round, an oval, and then for the tail you will lift up your pen here, then you'll start again and going down, up, and tail. Okay, so let's do this. Okay. Alright, there. You could do the same Q on the small letter of Q. You could do the same. It's just that you could make it bigger to make it a big letter. Okay, so these are the cues that we have. You could practice it writing with some words or some name. Hello Artsies, I just want to remind you to like this video, and if you haven't subscribed yet to my channel, please hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you would be updated to my latest uploads. So let's go back to the video. Okay, so let's do Q for the name Queenie, for example. Just round, oval, and then you can make this a little lower, or you can make big like that. Then there. Okay, Queenie. It's a cute name, but yeah, it's not really common name for girls. Queenie, there you go. Or what about if your last name, for example, is common last name that we have here in the Philippines is Quezon. Okay, so let's try that with our second Q. Or if you live in Quezon province or in Quezon city, okay, for this one you can connect this to the next letter. For the Z, you could do this, or you could do the other Z, like you could do that Z, or you could do the longer Z here. Then, okay, remember to lift up your pen. There, Quezon. You could put a little line there. We could do the same with, for example, with the word quiz. Okay, let's do the other Q. Okay, next is there. Remember, for doing calligraphy, you need to lift up your pen and extend. Okay, quiz. Okay, let's try the word quiet. It's a good practice word. Okay, so instead of starting at the top, we will start at the middle. Okay, quiet. Okay. There you go. Okay, for the last cue that we have, I'm thinking to, okay, let's try the word quit. Okay. There, with the word quit and with all of the cues that we have. Okay. You could also do a little bouncy for these words or these names. Okay, it's up to you. You could practice it with the cues, and you could do also bouncy. If you haven't watched my video about bouncing your letters with the calligraphy, I will put a card on top for you so you could watch it. Okay. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you learned something today. For the free that I told you earlier, you could go to the description box so you can download free worksheets for the letter Q's and the letter A's. Remember that practice makes perfect, perfect makes permanent, so keep on writing, keep on practicing. Till next time!